Understanding Gone Separate Ways, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and widely used phrase, gone separate ways. This expression is not just about physical movement but also carries a deeper meaning in relationships and life decisions. Let's explore its usage, meanings, and how you can incorporate it into your everyday English. Gone separate ways refers to a situation where two or more people decide to end their relationship, partnership, or close association and proceed in different directions in their lives. This can apply to friendships, romantic relationships, business partnerships, or any other form of close connection. The emphasis is on the mutual decision to pursue different paths, often after a shared journey or experience. This phrase is interesting because it implies a peaceful separation more than a conflict-driven breakup. It's about acknowledging differences in goals, desires, or circumstances that make it necessary for individuals to move on separately. The phrase carries a sense of respect and mutual understanding between the parties involved. To help you better understand how to use gone separate ways, here are a few examples. After college, despite their strong friendship, they gone separate ways as their careers took them to different cities. The band decided to go their separate ways after 10 years of making music together, each member focusing on solo projects. Once close colleagues, the two scientists had gone separate ways due to differing opinions on the research direction. Incorporating gone separate ways into your English conversations can add depth to your storytelling, especially when discussing changes in relationships or life transitions. Here's how you can use it. When talking about the end of a relationship or partnership, instead of saying, "We broke up," or "We ended our partnership," you can say, "We gone separate ways." To reflect on past relationships that ended amicably, consider saying, "Though we've gone separate ways, I still respect and cherish our time together." Understanding and using phrases like gone separate ways can enrich your English communication, making it more nuanced and expressive. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying emotions, intentions, and life's complex realities. We hope this video helps you grasp the essence of this phrase and apply it confidently in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay tuned, keep learning, and see you in the next video.